Book dance, book dance, book dance, book dance. You can read these books on your TV, phones, tablets, and computers. How cool is that? When you move your head, your eyes focus on the story and your mind comprehends. How cool is that? You can use Play-Doh, slime, mud to create the story. How cool is that? When reading is fun, you become smart. How cool is that? How cool is that? Peafowly Tricked Heny by Kanzy. After listening, reduce the volume and try reading by yourself to gauge yourself. How cool is that? After Goomba had captured Peafowly on his prowls, he cried, "Woy! Spare my life, and I will bring you a more beneficial body, for I am a wild card." "What do you mean?" asked Goomba. "Humans crave plenty of eggs and finger-licky meat, right?" Peafowly asked, as if hatching a bunko instead of an egg. Oh. "That is why I captured you, dummy!" Goomba shouted, expressing his ego. "No, I know what you need," insisted Peafowly, trying to save his feathers from being plucked one by one. "Okay, I'm giving you 3 days to bring me a beneficial body," Goomba conditioned, as he seemed convinced. So, from Buzz, Peafowly set off to look for a body he deemed gullible enough to fall into his trap. As he sang, "Multiplying eggy body, finger-licky meaty body, where are you? For I am in trouble if I don't find you."